In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Sway to write a picture storybook. Whether you're crafting a vivid tale for children or presenting an inspiring narrative, Sway can transform your story into a visually engaging experience. Now, let's dive into it. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Sway. Once the website loads, look for the sign-in option. If you're already a part of Microsoft 365, you may find that you are automatically signed in. If that's not the case, don't worry, just look for the Create One button. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and set a password, along with a few other details to get your account ready. With your account sorted, let's create your first project. Click Create New, which will offer you a blank canvas to start with. You have the choice to either select a pre-made template from the home page or import content from a document to get started. Once you've done that, it's time to title your Sway. Click on the Title Your Sway placeholder and enter the desired name of your picture storybook. Adding a background image here can really set the stage for your story's theme. Next, we're going to add some text. Click on Text to add a new card and start typing or pasting your story's text. Feel free to use heading cards to neatly organize your book into chapters or sections. This will give your readers a clear structure to follow. Then, it's time to bring your story to life with images. Click on Image to insert a photo or illustration. You can choose to upload images directly from your device or utilize the built-in search function to locate Creative Commons licensed images from the web. If you've got several related images, consider using a group card. Choose a format such as grid or stack to display these images visually. It can be a powerful way to communicate your story's development or highlight related scenes. As you build your story, rearranging elements for the best flow is simple. Just click and drag the cards along the storyline to reorder text and images as you see fit. Once you're happy with the content, it's time to see how it looks. Go to the Design tab at the top to preview your work. Here's where you can visualize the narrative and see any adjustments that need to be made. And don't forget about styling. Click the Styles button to explore different layout options. You can decide if your story scrolls vertically, horizontally, or presents itself as a slideshow. For a bit of random fun, try clicking the Remix button. This will let Sway suggest a new theme for you, complete with unique color palettes and font styles. If you have a specific vision in mind, the Customize button will give you more control over colors and fonts within the Styles pane. Finally, when your storybook is polished and ready to share, click the Share button located at the top right of the screen. From here, you can send out your creative masterpiece to others, whether for feedback or to simply enjoy your story. And that's it. Your picture storybook is now complete and ready to delight readers of all ages.